The world is changing, technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the military landscape is no exception. AI is revolutionizing warfare. From autonomous drones to intelligent surveillance, AI transforms battles. Militaries invest in AI for strategic advantage. AI analyzes data, identifies patterns, and makes real-time predictions. It automates tasks and enhances decision-making. But AI integration faces challenges. Ethical concerns and cybersecurity are crucial. AI's impact on the military will grow. AI is a present-day reality transforming defense. Understanding its potential and challenges is paramount. Behind the scenes of this technological revolution are the skilled individuals who design, develop, and deploy these groundbreaking AI systems, AI engineers. These highly specialized engineers are the architects of intelligent defense, playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of military technology. AI engineers in the military sector shoulder the critical responsibility of developing AI algorithms and systems tailored to specific defense needs. Their tasks include designing autonomous navigation systems for drones, creating AI-powered threat detection software, and building predictive models for battlefield analysis. Their work extends beyond development, encompassing the testing, deployment, and continuous refinement of AI systems to ensure optimal performance in real-world military operations. The expertise of AI engineers is instrumental in bridging the gap between cutting-edge AI research and its practical applications in the defense domain. These engineers are at the forefront of military AI innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future of warfare with their creations. Their role is crucial in ensuring that AI is harnessed effectively and responsibly to enhance national security. AI is revolutionizing military operations, enhancing situational awareness and automating tasks. AI is changing modern warfare. Drones use AI for autonomous missions. This reduces risk and enhances precision. AI revolutionizes intelligence gathering, sifting through data to identify threats. AI strengthens cyber defense, detecting and responding to cyber threats. AI